Do you ever feel like a quarterback without a team? I'm Rob the House Guy, and since the mid-90s, I've been investing in real estate. Now, if you're anything like me, you know when you're a real estate investor, it's not like you're running into a lot of other people that are actually real estate investors. Everyone dreams of doing it, but how many actually do it? And I just felt so alone, like I didn't have a team, I didn't have people to buy from and sell to, and contractors and title companies, and I just didn't know. And then I found this little group. It was a Real Estate Investors Association. I started going to these meetings, kind of like an AA meeting, but for real estate investors, and it was once a month. And I had people that I could buy from and sell to. It was kind of like the Wall Street trading floor or something. But there was a challenge. Remember, it was the mid-90s, and if you're a dinosaur like me, you remember the mid-90s. Your cell phone, remember free nights and weekends? It wasn't free till after a certain time. And internet, it might have existed, but I didn't have email or use it. Now with technology and internet, and the phones are free all the time, it's good, but it's also not great. Because now, it's like, as a society, we have told the techies that we're thirsty, and they've all given us a drink through a fire hose. And even though I'm drinking through a fire hose, I have to reel myself in and utilize what works. So I started asking myself, what am I going to use that, first of all, is compatible across all platforms? If it's Mac or PC or mobile, can they see it on everything? Next, I had to look, does anyone need any certain special software to go through and open my links if I'm selling them a house or if I'm telling them details? It had to be simple. I wanted something that was all-encompassing, that would help me do my estimates for repair, that would give me comparables, that would help me keep track of all my deals and all my surrounding ancillary businesses that I dealt with, like title companies and attorneys and appraisers, were all in one place. So when I narrowed this down to what I use, it was truly because it helped me grow my business exponentially. So I'm gonna share with you on a free trial exactly what I use. It's right there, there's a link in the description. You click on it, there's no catch, try it out, check it out. Because not only are you gonna build a community of your buyers and sellers and all the people you deal with, you can reach out above and beyond that and meet new people too. So go ahead, check it out. I'm Rob the House Guy, and nothing works unless you do.